Smith. My platform is, I use the word hood, right? Because we're in the neighborhood, and hood to me is centered around community. But I like to say that the word hood stands for home ownership opening doors. And I like to bring an approach to you all to educate you all and just tell you all that becoming a first-time home buyer is not as hard as you think. There's some easy steps around it. I'd like to bring a team of individuals in order to make those steps happen. I have Doe Winfrey of Synovus Bank here today. I have Mr. Michael Gibbs of American Family, that's your insurance agent. I have Ms. Nia Knowles of Area West Realty. She sold every property that I've sold around in Atlanta. And I have Quincy here, who's my photographer, and who does all social media for K3 and as well as himself. But excited to be here amongst you all. I met Jeanette at 1755 Lisbon Drive. That's a house that Nia has listed that I'm currently working on. And she talked to me about an idea she had and said that a lot of her employees live out and far away from the city. And so the house, this particular house is in a price point very affordable. It's also in a zone to where Synovus Bank is providing 100% financing in this area. Not all banks are doing that. It falls in a zip code where HUD allows the bank to be able to do so. So the house that I'm presenting is 1755 Lisbon Drive. It's located in Southwest Atlanta in an area called Capitol View. Perkinson Park is walking distance, and this house will sell in a price point of about $135,000. Okay, so a home like that, without me going into my mortgage calculator, $135,000. You have Invest Atlanta. You also have the Atlanta Housing Authority, which is right around the corner. For first responders, for teachers, for nurses, for firemen. Even if you work in a school district or APS, you can be an admin or you can be a janitor. You qualify for $25,000 of down payment assistance from the Atlanta Housing Authority. Okay? So if you qualify for the Atlanta Housing Authority, Invest Atlanta here in Atlanta reciprocates the paperwork that the Housing Authority allows. So you can get up to $30,000 to $40,000 in down payment assistance in this particular area. The down payment assistance program with Atlanta Housing, I wanted to say that, and you can go on the Invest Atlanta website and you'll see an icon for first-time home buyers, and it'll show you where the link is for the paperwork for Invest Atlanta.